welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a makeup look or a makeup tutorial on how I did this makeup look, and I will call it a peachy makeup look. And this is the look na talagang ginagawa ko for my everyday makeup routine. So ayan siya guys. At ito din yung lagi kong eyeshadow look na ginagamit every time na nagpe-film ako ng videos. Dahil marami sa inyo yung nagtatanong kung ano yung aking eyeshadow or kung paano ko siya ginagawa. So ito na guys, ginawa ko na siya ng tutorial. And without further ado, let's get into the video. aking peachy makeup look or yung aking everyday makeup look. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and like this video. Kung meron din ako Instagram and Twitter, you can also follow me there para ayun, let's be friends. And thank you so much guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!